Hello children, in this video we are going to study mathematics chapter number 5. Does it look the same? Page number 80. Now children, we were on question number 5. Which among the following pictures will look the same as half a turn? Now children, if you look at this first picture and if I cut this picture in two equal parts and if I move it like this to 180 degree, you will find that to this direction, if it is turned, it will look the same. Again children, if you divide this picture into two equal parts, you find that they will not look the same because this part will go upside and this will come downside, so this will not look the same. Now children, if you cut this picture into two equal parts and if you rotate it like this, again you will find that it will look the same. So this will look same after half a turn. Now children, in this letter P, you will find that this part will come downside. This will look like this. So this will not look same. Now children, in this picture also this arrow will go upside. So this will also not look same. So this is also not there. But in this flower children, if it is turned upside down, it will look same, or in a half turn it will look same. Now triangular picture, see children, this part will go like this and this part will come down like this. So this will also not look same after half a turn. Now if you look at this picture, if it is rotated, yes, it will look the same after half a turn because this part will come down and this part will go upside, but it will look the same. Now children, here is one activity there. Now children, have you ever seen a windmill? What is it used for? Now children, have you ever seen a windmill? Yes, we have seen a windmill. Where? In mountain area. Now children, what is it used for? It is used to produce electricity, or it is used to produce energy. Energy means what children? Electricity. Now children, let us make the toy windmill. So the girl is having a toy windmill. Now children, how to make it? Here are some steps. You can read it very well and children, and make a windmill like this. I think you have made this type of windmill in your previous classes also. So children, here are the 8 steps given to make a windmill like this. So you can go through it and have the windmill like this. Now children, in our previous pages you have studied about half turn. Now in this we are going to see what is 1/4 of turn. Now children, to understand this, if this figure is divided in like this is the half part, and if this is divided this like this children, this 1/4, this part is 1/4 part. This part is 1/4, one part out of 4 parts. So this part is 1/4 part and this is 1/4 turn. Understood children? Now children, they are telling, does your windmill look the same on how 1/4 of a turn? Yes children. Now see how to get it children. If the figure is divided symmetrically, means by horizontal line and by vertical line, then its 1/4 of a turn will look same. So children, here the answer is yes. Does it look the same on half of the turn? Yes, it will look same at a half of the turn also children. Okay. Now children, what is 1/4 turn? Now children, let's see about 1/4 turn. Now to understand this children, we will take the help of this boy. Now children, this boy is standing like this. Now if he takes 1/4 right turn, 1/4 to the right turn, this is the 1/4 right turn children. It will come to like this position. His hand will go like this, its legs will come to this side. Now again, if it will take one more 1/4 turn, he will look like this. Means this is what children, 1/4 plus 1/4, this is half the turn the boy has taken. Now children, if it will take one more 1/4 turn to the right side, the position of the boy will be like this. Okay. And children, in one more half turn, 1/4 turn, the boy will stand like this again. So children, understood? In 1/4 turn, the position of the boy will be like this. In 1/4 right turn, children, right hand side it is moving, so its position will be like this. In one more 1/4 turn, that is half turn, children, the position of the boy will be like this. In 3/4 of turn, the position of the boy will be like this, and in one turn, again complete turn, the position of the boy will be right like this. Now children, does the fan look the same on 1/4 turn? Now see children, the color of the blades of the fan are same. So before turning it, it was like this. Now children, if it is given half a turn, this blade will come to this position and this blade will go to this position. So this blade will come to this position. So here the colors, being the colors same, the this fan will look the same. Okay, yes, it will look same after 1/4 turn. Now children,